The house in which deen is the number one priority, to have a house of deen where Islam is the main characteristic of that family, it all starts with whatever that Allah has declared farz, mandatory. All those actions must be fulfilled which are obligatory and mandatory. That should not be missed. The second thing is that the Quran and the Sunnah should be a part of our lives. We should read it every day with the understanding of it. The parents can teach small things. That should be a routine. Reading, reciting, understanding, and acting upon it. The third thing is that the aqaid or the deen that we have learned, it should manifest itself into the behavior of people in that house. Those home occupants should behave with each other the way that the Rasulullah ﷺ has addressed to be behaved. He has asked us to behave with each other with love and understanding and compassion and care. Now, that would be a manifestation of our love for Allah. The love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the love for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam should be manifested in the love for each other also, in caring, in empathy, in compassion. And then it would be a loving family, a family where deen will truly be appreciated, a model family. So these are the components. If you want to have a house that is lighted by deen, you need to understand and fulfill these requirements. May Allah make our houses living examples of deen, of Islamic households.